go and make a Zoom account on their website. In your web browser, go to www.zoom.us and sign up for an account. Number 2, download and install the program. Once you've made an account, you'll be prompted to download and install the software. We need you to check your internet speed to make sure it is fast enough for the call to work properly. Open up your preferred internet browser and go to google.com and search Internet Speed Test. Click on the blue box that says Run Speed Test. Once it is done, it will give you the results of the test. The number above Mbps download should be 10 or greater in order for the Skype call to be successful. You need the correct device to get the best result possible. We do not recommend using smartphones at all. We do accept tablets, laptops, and desktops with webcams. Audio settings. Before you start your video meeting, let's make sure the audio settings are correct. Click on the settings gear in the upper right-hand corner of the window. Go to the audio tab. If you're using an external microphone, make sure to select the correct one in the drop-down menu. Adjust your mic volume so we can hear you during the interview. Once you're done, run the speaker and mic test to make sure what you have selected is correct. Video settings. Now that we are done with audio settings, we can go to video settings. If you're using an external camera, then select it in the drop-down menu. Make sure you select the following options: 60:9 widescreen, enable HD, enable mirror effect, enable hardware acceleration, and display participants' name on their video. Framing is probably one of the most important parts of this tutorial. It is a video call and will be recorded for the Profitability channel, so make sure that you look appropriate and that we can see you clearly. Don't be too close or far away from the camera. Make sure that the camera is at eye level, and make sure that we can see your mid-torso to the top of your head, similar to a passport shot. How to create and host meetings. The first way is to click the button that says Start with Video. From there, another window opens up. On the bottom of this window, we have a few buttons. Hit the Invite button. Choose which email service you use. Send the invitation to the person you would like to have the meeting with. The second way to schedule a meeting. You click the Schedule button. Just fill out the form and then hit the Schedule at the bottom of the form. Another window pops up for you to copy the meeting details so you can email them to whoever you need to.